Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. After a long time I have come up with another vlog. Here I was having breakfast. So breakfast was done and you can see that this day 17th July I was doing preparation for the birthday party, which was just held in home. Nobody was invited. So you can see what all I am cooking today. These are the filled pistachio sweet and bakery item. So here you can see that I'm preparing pizzas, just doing the topping. Adding capsicum, olives, etc., which were chopped into small pieces. The puree which we use for pizza was made and sprayed at the bottom. Grated cheese. So basically this is veggies and chicken together, which I'm doing. That is preferred more. Chicken was marinated and just shallow fried, and then spread it all around for all the pizzas, and also chopped some onions to get the crispy taste. The bread that you can see I had just cooked in a pan for a while, and then I will keep in oven. Before cooking itself, it's so looking tasty. We'll sprinkle some black pepper at the top. Those were done. This were the one which I was showing you. Beside that, I am also keeping that crispy samosas and rolls. These were the mini pizzas which I tried. It's easy to just have it, then you don't need to cut it. They were looking so cute and so tasty. After it is cooked, I just keep in a fry pan to get crispy layer at the bottom and then serve it. Pizzas were ready and made. So you can see the cake and let me know how it looks. It was decorated very beautifully and looked so tasty. So because it was plain, I thought this time I will write myself on the top. So to avoid it, I thought it's not that good, so I have hidden it, the handwriting. Biryani and some lassi. So we came here to buy the cake. You can see that naturally the balloons were kept coincidentally. These were the cakes here, but the one which we needed this time, it was not available. Though this also looked very tasty and the decoration was so beautiful. Let me know which type of cake you prefer, vanilla or chocolate, or both together. So now here it was not available, so we went to cake shop, another one, and there we had ordered. the same. Also did some grocery shoppings. This vlog you can also enjoy watching my birds. You can also spend some quality time with them virtually. Like me, I love to spend time with them. It's so peaceful and you forget all the stress when you see them and look their beautiful life. The papers you can see, they love to chirp it as they want some kind of words or something to just bite it. At that day itself, my leg got hit hard and it became all red and swelling was there. It stayed for 5 to 6 days. It was turning green, blue, all the colors. It's so painful to face this situation, but now it's much better. Had applied the medicines top of it. So now it's much better. Even when happy situations are there, anything can happen. So you need to be alert and keep yourself safe. So I hope you also stay healthy and safe from all kind of incidents. So at night after dinner we made gawa, as it is corona time, so you need to drink hot items with dates. As I am in KSA, it's very much famous here, this kind of drink. So guys, ending the vlog. Keep supporting us and show your love. Until then, thank you.